These vowels are commonly mispronounced, whether they have fathers or not. E, I, and U. Leithreas. And we'll caragum dulga Jane Leithreas, the famous phrase we all know. Leithreas. Notice how the E is just le. Whereas in the word Leim Jump, Leim, the E is like A. So that's the E father. Leim, fair, feich. I'm going to show you two words spelt the same, one with a father, one without, so different meaning, different pronunciation, very important. Briste Broken. Briste. Briste, trousers. Briste. Briste, briste. I father gets an E sound. You, gonna. Gonna. Guna, guna. Dress. When the U has a father, this one is the most commonly mispronounced. It gets an U sound, but otherwise it's more like an sound. For example, to U, then the emphatic form tussa. To tussa. Did you struggle with these before? Were they a piece of cake? Let me know in the comments.